In this video, we are looking how to scrape web pages using wget in Linux. Let me open terminal first. Okay, before that, let us look into the website. Uh, you can see a dictionary website here. It's just a dummy website I created for showing this example. So you can see that one here. Most common words. It's a one section in this website. Uh, it contains 49 uh, page pagination contain 49 pages. Each page contain 100 words. So I want to, for example, accumulate one word I'm clicking. You can see this is a definition of accumulate, definition of that word. So it's just some dummy page. So you will get a pronunciation, meaning, and usage. Everything you will get. So what I want is that I want to download all these pages, all these definition pages. So you can see here uh, almost 49 pages are there. Each page contain 100 words. So I want to download the definition of uh, each word. So 49 into 100, 4900 uh, pages I need to download. Okay, so first let us look into what is the URL of each page. It's a paginated pages. So let's look at. You can see here there is no URL actually. They didn't use a tag. So what will happen is that when we click any of this number, dynamically using JavaScript, they redirect to this page, forward slash page forward slash 14, corresponding page number. It's coming here. So we want to download all these 49 pages first. Then only we will get all the words. Let us look into the word. What is the URL of that word? The word also don't have any URL. So what will happen then if I'm clicking this discipline? You can see that on forward slash word forward slash discipline. So that's how URL they dynamically creating. So first we need to download all this 49 uh, pages we need to download. Okay, then we need to collect all the words. Then we need to go to each main page, each definition page, and download it. Okay, okay. So I opened the terminal. It's a bash shell. It's a Ubuntu machine, so it's a bash shell. Bash is a default shell in Ubuntu. So first let me move into temporary directory. Okay. So we want to download two sets of pages. One is the paginated pages and second is the definition pages. So let me create two directories to store each type of uh, pages. One is a paginated, we will store in the pages folder. Then words, we will store all the definition in this on this page. Okay, so I'm going to pages folder. So here I will oh, not a tc cd. So in this folder I will download all this 49 pages I will download. So okay, this is a URL. So what I need to do is that I need to download uh, using wget. This is a URL. Okay, I need to download this one. But we know that one we want to download almost uh, 49 pages, right? From 1 to instead of 31 here we need to put 1 up, then we need to up to 49. So 49 times we need to download these pages. So what you can do is that there is one command, seek. If you if you are putting 49 here, what will happen is that when you will start with 1, you will print 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like that. So what we can do is that one we can use the pipe, we can send that output. So you can C command. I think you need to see that one. What is what will the C command will do? Then only you will understand. If I am adding seek 5, you will get 5 numbers 1 to 5. Okay, you can give 5 and 10. Then what will happen is then it will start with the 5 and end with the 10. So you can see that one. So yeah, we want to know only first only one. Yeah, we want to get to 1 to 49, right? 1 to 49. Okay, then you will get almost 49 lines. Each line contain corresponding number. Okay, so what we will do is that we will send this output to exargs command. So what this exargs will do is that uh, you can give one command here. Okay, so what I want is that it's echoing actually. Just for testing purpose, I am doing this one. X, Y. Okay. So what I want is that this number should be inside here. So I will put, I will mark a placeholder. Percentage I use as a placeholder. So I need to tell exargs what should be the placeholder. So you can use I percentage. See what will happen is that it will seek will print 49 lines. Each line will contain number. Okay. Exarg, what exarg will do is that it will take each line and it will consider a percentage and it will execute this command. Okay, so here what you put percentage you put here, right? So what will happen is the number will be placed there. So let me show that. So you can see that one, right? Okay, you can see that it will start with one. It will it came here, right? Now what we want to do is that instead of wget, sorry, we will remove the echo and we will put wget. Then we will take this URL and that URL will be here. You can see that one. Instead of 49, we will put a percentage. So what will happen is that wget will get executed 49 times. Each this percentage will be replaced with 1, 2, 3 to up to 49. So 49 times wget will invoked and will download all the pages. So let us look into it. So this website actually hosted in a local machine, so that's why it downloaded this much faster, 422 MB. That means one movie you can download within 3 seconds or something. Just leave it. That's not the topic we are discussing here. So yeah, now what we can do is that let us look into this directory whether all the file got downloaded or not. It should contain 49 pages. So let me do one thing. ls, it will list each file name. It's a file name actually. Same as number, but it's a file name actually. So it will list it as each line one by one. Those file names listed. So you can use the wc command to see how many lines are there. wc, okay, not sc, wc. So you can see that when we download all the 49 files. What we download is these pages. First pages, second pages, third page. All the pages we downloaded. So we know that one. Yeah, we download that one. Now we need to. We checked whether a URL is there. There is no URL, right? So what we want is that we want to take all these words. Each word contains 100. Sorry, each page contains 100 words and total 49 pages. Total, total 49 pages are there. Each page contains 100 words of 4900 words are there. So what we want to do is that we want to take all the words and redirect to a file. Then using that one, we will download all the definition pages. So yeah, first let me look into one pages. Here one is that first page, paginated page. Yeah, it's just number it came. It didn't count any .html or something. It's actually HTML file. Yeah, you can see that one. First page contain all the word. You can see here all the words, right? So what I want is that I want to get each word. Okay, so let us use a regex to get all the words. So you can we want to identify a pattern to get this line, right, this word. So you can see that on here a class word. This is a look like it is a unique regex to, it's a unique pattern to get this word. So we will use a class word, and up to this point we will start. Then this will be marked as a uh, end part. Okay, let me show using the grep command. So grep uh, class class mm, word ended. Now we need to mark the word. So we know that one it will end with less than symbol. Less than symbol. This is the end part, right? So we want all the character except that character. Let us make it a greedy matching. So it will go as until it reach less than symbol. Yeah, that's all. Some okay. I didn't give a file name here. Let us clear the screen. Uh, grep what is the pattern you want, then give the file name. I will use the file name number one, first file name. So now you can see all the, it matched everything. This is what we want, right? So let us simplify this one. So it's showing entire thing, right? You can output only matching part. Use the hyphen o. It will list only matching part. Now what we want is that we want this part, right? So what you can do is that one you can cut this each line using this greater than symbol. If you're cutting it will be two part, class word one part, and word, this word will be adjustment, this word will be second part. So what you need to do is that use the cut command, uh, delimiter where you should cut. It's a greater than symbol. At this point you need to cut, and you need to tell which part you want. I want this second part only. So here you can use it to, yeah, you saw that in all the words, right? So you need to make sure that whether you got all the words, so you can count how many lines are there. It should be 100 because it's one page contain 100, right? Yeah. Now what you can do is that here you given first one page, right? Instead of that one page, you can pass all the pages. Use the asterisk. It will pass all the pages. Okay, now what should be the output? What will happen is that it will grep all the words and it will clean up everything, and it will output only here up to this point it will output only words. Then you will count. So we want to get to 4900 as a lines. So it will cover all the words, each word, all the words across the 49 pages. Each page contains 100 words. That's why it's 1400, 4900 and 4900. Yeah. So you saw that one. That means we got all the words. If you want to see the words, you can see. So you can see the words. It is the words. Okay, let me redact this word to file. I will save that file outside this directory. I will give the file name w.txt. Okay, now I will get out of this place, and we'll go to words directory. Here I want to download each definition page. So let me open that w.txt file. So you can see that one, all the words we stored in this file. Here you can see that one, 4900 lines are there. So here what I want to do is that I will use the cat command. This will output all the lines, a cat, if I am doing that. So what I will do is that one, this output will go to exargs, and exarg will use the percentage as a placeholder for each word, and we know that one, this is the URL we want. After that we want to give a word. Okay, this is a URL. Wget, it is a URL. Here we want to put the word percentage we used as a placeholder. So let me explain once again. This cat will output all the uh, content in the file. Okay, each file contains words, right? So what the exargs will do is that for every line it will execute this wget this URL. Okay, this percentage, what is the value of each line? Each line will contain a word, right? That will replace here. So cat will output a file that contains 4900 lines. So exargs will execute for each line once this command, this part. It's a wget command. So it will get executed 4900 times. It will execute the wget. Let us look. Yeah, done. So let us look this directory. Yeah, you can see a lot of words, right? I want to count how many files are there. For 400 and 4900 words, a file should be there. 4900 files. It should get. Yeah, you got. Now you got all the definition, uh, uh, the most common words definition we got for all words. So now you can decide what you want. You may want to pass for the pronunciation. Uh, Here you can see you will get the pronunciation here and meaning and everything, whatever you want to. And that's not how to passing is not topic of this video, so I'm not going ahead with that. So yeah, now I hope you this video were useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.